What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Animal Crossing. And like I promised, we are doing December 21st. I don't think I mentioned 21st, but I should have. December 21st, 8 o'clock exactly. And we are going to look for bugs. And I'm thinking spiders or whatever we can find. Here we are. Let's go check this. Let's go check everything out. First, let's pull all these weeds. Sick of weeds. Oh man, I forgot to get those presents out of my mail. If somebody could tell me how I can get rid of these happy rumen enemy from Jingle. Hey, the holiday season is 24th. Yeah, I will be doing a Christmas special one. And an Easter special. And maybe a trunk or treat one too. Whatever. Oh, I think that's because I moved. And yes, I haven't sold yet, and I kind of wanted to wait until. Here we go. Look at Christmas trees. Christmas is the best time of the year. And my fruit in this town, if you haven't noticed, is oranges. Because in the camera it might look like apples, but they are oranges. Okay, let's go look for some bugs. I know there's a type of snow bug. It's like, it rolls things. From my other town I know. It should be around here, I'm guessing. If we just look hard enough. It should be like rolling a snowball. If we can find those snowballs. So yeah. Gosh, there's a whole bunch of weeds. Let's catch this fish. This is a big fish. In my sight, it looks like a big fish, but in the camera, it doesn't really look like a big fish. Man, I want to catch this fish.
So do you have 3 roosters in there, Elizabeth?
So, yeah.
You have 3 roosters in there?
And I think I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, there's 3
White bass.
Wait, there's 4.
Let's go to Tom Nook's and sell before his place closes.
But I don't know. Some girls can have a peacock on their heads. Like Lion, she's a girl.
What are you doing? Trying to get yourself knocked on the floor and stepping on or something?
Yeah, that's right.
What time you going up there?
Oh, cool.
Oh, cool.
You get Joe's?
What's that?
Talking about Joe's?
Yeah.
You don't like food stuff. Thinking about getting some food.
What time is it there?
3:15. I suppose in about an hour, I suppose, in the time everybody's starting to feel
Probably what time you generally eat? About 5 or so.
Probably right
A little after.
6. What about you guys?
We generally eat about 5, I think.
I suppose you got both of our wives sleeping at the moment. We'll probably at least wait till they get up.
Pretty good price.
But then that don't have to be that time.
And this video is gonna be 10 minutes exactly. So. No, I don't. Nothing. Get away from me. You're scaring me. It's gonna be basically 20 minutes, but I'm gonna have parts to it. So, there's gonna be 3 parts to this video. Because I can't make a video over 15 minutes and I kinda wanted it to be 10. It probably isn't going to be 10. So let's go find some stuff. Anything over here? No. Not at all. And if anybody wants to, I don't have any friends, but if I would like to know a friend code, because I want to invite over people. So anybody could give me their friend code. I mean, you don't have to. I just would like if anybody would give me their friend code, and you could come over to my town, or I could come over to yours. I don't know my friend code. I forgot it. I'll go look. I might. But I'll post it in the description. So, goodbye everybody. This was a little less than 10 minutes. See you in the next part.